Good morning student. Our geometric progression class 8 आरंभ কৰিছো। আজি question number 16 পৰা ডিসকাস কৰিছো। Question number 16 in a GP sum of n twice n twice n terms are respectively S1, S2 and S3. Prove that S1, S2 minus S1 and S3 minus S2 are in GP. Given that sum of n terms equal S1, sum of twice n term S2, sum of twice n term S3, then we have to show that S1, S2 minus S1 and S3 minus S2 are in GP. Let A be the first term and small r be the common difference. Sorry, common ratio. According to question, S1 means sum of n term, where r greater than 1. Consider r greater than 1. Therefore, S1 equals sum of n term means a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. S2 means sum of twice n terms, a into r to the power twice n minus 1 by r minus 1. S3 means a into sum of twice n terms, r to the power twice n minus 1 by r minus 1. Then we have to show that S1, S2 minus S1, S3 minus S2 are in GP. Now, S2 minus S1 value, S2 minus S1, S2 means a into r to the power twice n minus 1 by r minus 1 minus a into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Equal LCM r minus 1. Tapi apa ya kita kemana itu? A into r to the power twice n minus 1 minus r to the power n minus plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, equal a into r to the power twice n minus r to the power n by r minus 1 equal a into यहाँ दुटा पर r to the power n कॉमन है, a into r to the power n into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Next, S2 minus ST minus S2. ST minus S2 क्यों? ST means a r to the power twice n minus 1 by r minus 1 and S2 means a r to the power twice n minus 1 by r minus 1. यहाँ दुटो पर r to the 2n कॉमन आइबो a into r to the 2n into r to the n minus 1 by r minus 1. Now we need to show that s1, s2 minus s1 and s3 minus s2 are in zip. Therefore, s1, s2 minus s1 and s3 minus s2 are in ZP if s2 minus s1 whole square equal s1 into s3 minus তিনটা টার্ম লিখে হবে জিপি থেকে হলে সেকেন্ড টার্ম হোল স্কয়ার ইকুয়াল ফার্স্ট টার্ম ইনটু থার্ড টার্ম therefore right hand side equal s1 s3 minus s2 s1 means a r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 and s3 minus s2 means a r to the power 2n into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. S1 और S2 minus S2 रिजल्ट पुट करो इक्वल r minus 1 whole square a into a square into r to the power 2n r to the n minus 1 r to the n minus 1 r to the power n minus 1 whole square equal take the whole a into r to the power n into r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1 whole square. So our উপর যে স্কয়ার আছে আমি এটা স্কয়ার করে দেব a to the power a into r to the n into r to the n minus 1 by r minus 1 means s2 minus s1 whole square s2 minus s1 whole square a r to n into r to n minus 1 by r minus 1 means s2 minus s1 therefore equal left hand side. So s1 s2 minus s1 and s3 minus s2 are in ZT. Next question 18. Divide 63 in three parts. In such a way that they form KGP. and the product of the first two parts is equal to 3/4 times of third part. Divide 63 in 3 parts in such a way that they form a GP and the product of the first two parts is equal 3/4 times third parts. Let 3 parts are AR star which are in GP. Which are in GP. Where A is the first term and are common. A first term and are common ratio. According to question, A plus AR plus AR squared equals 63. This is equation number 1. Again given that the product of the first two parts, that means A into AR, is equal 3/4 is equal 3/4 times of third part. Third part means AR square. Product of the first two parts means A into AR equal 3/4 parts. 3/4 of third part means AR square. Implies A square into R equals 3/4 of AR square. A টা cancel যাব, A equal R টা cancel যাব, equal 3/4 into R. ইয়ার এটাই আপনারা cancel যাব R, ইয়ার R টা ইয়ার দুটো আছে cancel যাব. This is equation number 2. Therefore, equation 1 implies equation number এটা কোন হইব A into 1 plus R into R square equal 63. Implies A means 3 R by 4. 1 plus R into R square equals 63. Implies 4 to cos multiply kori 1 plus R into R square equal 4 to cos multiply kori hobo 63 into 4 divide by 3R. 4 is into korilu আর 3R টা divide korilu. Sorry, R to yaad rakhen 3 को divide korilu, R to yaad rakhen 6 is 21. Next R to into korilu, R to ekata kichu R to into korilu, R plus r square plus r cube equal 84. Implies r cube plus r square plus r minus 84 equal 0. Consider this is side part. Consider PR equal r cube r square r minus 84. Here r place होते हैं 4 टू कम ये बोलने में सेटिस्फाइड करे 4 cube 4 square plus 4 minus 84 64 plus 16 plus 4 minus 84 equal 84 minus 84 equal 0. আর প্লেসে 4 পুট করা হয় এই প্রবলেম সেটিসফাই করে এখন আমি এটা দেখুন বলো যে r minus 4 is a solution of this equation. Therefore r minus 4 is a solution of this equation. Then we write in this way r square into r minus 4 plus 5r into r minus 4 plus 21 into r minus 4 equals 0. r minus 1 और factors से एक्सप्रेस करिसु r स्क्वायर को मतलब r minus 4 लिखिबो और इनटू कइले लिखिबो r cube minus 4r square 5r into r minus 4 5r square minus 20r plus 21r minus 84 एक लाइन और এটা লিখবে मैं r minus 1 और factors से एक्सप्रेस करिसु implies r minus 4 into r square plus 5r plus 21 equals 0 implies r equals 0 sorry r equal 4 and r square plus 5r plus 21 equals 0 यहाँ पर r निकालने का 4 पालो और यहाँ पर r वैल्यू देखो এটা কোয়াড্রিক ইকুয়েশন না কোয়াড্রিক ইকুয়েশনের ফর্মুলা আছে ax স্কয়ার প্লাস bx প্লাস c 0 यार x और हाई स्কয়ার 2 হয় তো কোয়াড্রিক ইকুয়েশন লিখা হয় আর ইয়ার x और ভ্যালু লিখলে একটা ফর্মুলা আছে x b প্লাস মাইনাস √ ওভার b স্কয়ার মাইনাস 4ac বাই twice if b square minus 4ac less than 0 if b square minus 4 is less than 0 here real solution নাথাকে no real solution imaginary solution থাকিব here real solution নাথাকে এর কেস এগুলো যদি কম্পেয়ার কম here x means x of place there r আছে আর r আবার here into is 1 means a means here 1 r agar toka number to is 1 and b means 5 and c means 21 therefore r equal minus b plus 25 plus minus 25 minus 84 by 2 equal minus 5 plus minus 9 minus 59 minus 59 হবে 0 কে করব হয় বলতে ইয়ার রিয়েল সলিউশন হবে নো রিয়েল সলিউশন মানে अपन आगे जाएगा and equal 4 therefore from equation 2 a equal 3 by 4 into rc r means 4 by 3 by 4 into 4 a means 3 a value হলো 3 and r value হলো 4 therefore 3 parts are therefore 3 parts are first part was a means 4 second part ar sorry a means 3 r means 4 a means 3 r means 4 equal 12 third part ar squared a means 3 r means 4 squared 3 into 16 equal 14 therefore 3 parts plus 3 12 and 48 and 3 का प्लस करके हमें 65 ठीक है सर बाकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे आज क्लास 100